Hey Sam, have you heard that Samsung revealed their Galaxy Z Fold 2 Thom Browne edition?
Yeah, Sarah, I already know about that. In fact, I'm gonna order one for me.
Really? Don't you think it's too expensive to be a phone?
Well, it's a value price actually. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is not just a phone. It's an experience. Plus the Thom Browne edition makes it even better to justify the higher price tag.
Oh wow, how are you gonna justify $2,000 price tag for a phone? Or even higher for its fancy Thom Browne edition?
Look Sarah, foldables are not meant for everyone. It's a new tech. It's for tech enthusiasts. How many phones do you know that actually folds? Exactly. It's a very narrow niche of products. It's for those people who wants a phone. Plus they sometimes need a tablet to be more productive.
I want my phone to be personalized.
Sure, you can do that. Fold 2 has customizable hinge. You can get your favorite.
The hinge is also not durable enough. Last time Jerry Rig Everything showed how dust can enter inside it.
Oh, they have redesigned the hinge this time. It's more durable than ever before. Now you can make it stand at any desired angle to suit your need.
But don't you think the display is too fragile?
I know, but it's the inner display. The outer display is as strong as a regular smartphone display.
The outer display is too small to use.
The size of outer display is increased from previous version. No way it's over 6 inches. Which is a decent size. And the inner display comes with 120 Hz refresh rate. So it's a buttery experience.
What about that chunky notch on top right of display?
Well, it's gone now. In place of the previous notch there is a punch hole camera. It's very little intrusive.
Okay, I get it. Fold 2 is justified, but Thom Browne edition is still expensive.
Sarah, it's a limited edition device. It's for Samsung fans. Look, foldables are a new tech. So Samsung placed them as a luxury item. And with Thom Browne people are gonna have a good experience.
For the experience, I also have to buy accessories like Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Buds.
Oh no Sarah. In Thom Browne edition Samsung has bundled those items with it. So you don't have to worry about it.
Wow Sam, I'm also excited to fet my hands on one of them. Could you please order one for me as well?
Of course dear.